Welcome, my fellow students. Are you tired of feeling like the scrawny one in the group? Do you want to bulk up and feel stronger and more confident? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share my top tips for student bulking. And the best part? They're all budget-friendly. We'll cover everything from meal planning to lifting weights so you can build muscle mass without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to say goodbye to your skinny jeans and hello to your new gains, then grab a protein shake and not that sugar bomb weight gainer shakes. Hold on tight, because I've got a surprise bonus tip for all you savvy students looking to bulk up on a budget. But before I spill the beans, make sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss out. Trust me, you won't want to skip this insider trick that'll take your gains to the next level. So grab a protein shake, sit back, and get ready to be wowed by this game-changing bonus tip. Plan your meals. As a student, it can be tough to find the time and energy to eat properly. Between classes, studying, and trying to have a social life, meal planning can feel like just another thing on your to-do list. However, planning your meals is essential if you want to bulk up on a budget. First things first, start with a solid breakfast. They don't call it the most important meal of the day for nothing. A good breakfast will give you the energy you need to power through your morning classes and activities. Opt for whole grain toast, eggs, and avocado for a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal. Next, consider incorporating meal prep into your routine. Spend a few hours on a Sunday cooking up some lean proteins, like chicken breast or ground turkey, veggies and grains like brown rice. Divide them into individual containers and voila, you've got healthy meals for the entire week. This way, you won't have to resort to unhealthy takeout or vending machine snacks when hunger strikes. And if you're on a tight budget, don't fret. You can still eat healthy without breaking the bank. Frozen veggies are just as nutritious as fresh, and canned beans and lentils are great sources of protein that won't cost you a fortune. Additionally, spices can make your meals more interesting and satisfying without adding any extra calories. A little cumin or chili powder can go a long way. By planning your meals, you'll not only save time and money, but also ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need to fuel your body and build muscle mass. Eat frequently. When it comes to bulking up, eating frequently is key. This approach can help keep your metabolism revved up and your hunger in check, preventing overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. But what should you eat? Try to aim for a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Snacks like nuts, Greek yogurt, and hummus with veggies are all great options. And don't forget about protein shakes. They're an easy way to get in some extra protein on the go. But wait, what about snacking? Isn't that bad for you? Not necessarily. If you're snacking on healthy, nutrient-dense foods, it can actually be beneficial. Just make sure you're not mindlessly munching on junk food. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day can help keep you feeling full and energized. Additionally, incorporating healthy fats into your meals can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil are all great sources of healthy fats that can help keep you satisfied. Focus on protein. Protein is essential for building muscle mass, but it can be tough to get enough of it on a student budget. Fear not. There are plenty of affordable options out there. Eggs are a great source of protein and can be cooked in a variety of ways. Scrambled, boiled, poached. The possibilities are endless. Canned tuna and salmon are also good options, as are beans and lentils. Additionally, protein powder supplements can be a great way to increase your protein intake without breaking the bank. But be careful not to go overboard with your protein intake. Your body can only absorb so much at once, and consuming too much protein can lead to digestive issues. Aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. It's also important to vary your protein sources to ensure you are getting a range of nutrients and amino acids. Protein is a crucial component of your diet. By focusing on affordable protein sources and varying your intake, you can help ensure that your body has the nutrients it needs to build muscle mass. Lift weights. You can't build muscle mass without lifting weights. It's just not possible. But don't worry, you don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. In fact, you can get a great workout in just 30 minutes if you're focusing on the right exercises. Compound exercises, exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, are your best bet for building muscle mass. Think squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Start with light weights and focus on form and technique before gradually increasing the weight. But wait, what if you don't have access to a gym? No problem. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, lunges, and squats can be just as effective. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even try some climbing and outdoor workouts. Remember, the key is to challenge yourself. Your muscles won't grow if you're not pushing them beyond their limits. And don't forget to take rest days. Your muscles need time to recover and rebuild after a workout. Additionally, incorporating cardiovascular exercise into your routine can help improve your overall fitness and stamina, making your weightlifting sessions more effective. Activities like running, swimming, and cycling can help improve your cardiovascular health while also burning calories. By incorporating weightlifting and cardiovascular exercise into your routine, you'll be able to build muscle mass while improving your overall fitness and health. Get enough sleep. Last but not least, getting enough sleep is crucial for building muscle mass. When you're asleep, your body is hard at work repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to give your body the time it needs to do its thing. But getting enough sleep isn't always easy. Between late-night study sessions and social events, it can be tough to prioritize sleep. That's why it's important to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. And avoid caffeine and electronics, like your phone or laptop, before bed, as they can interfere with your sleep. Did you know that getting outside and moving can also help you build muscle? Activities like hiking, rock climbing, and even playing sports with friends can be a fun way to stay active and build muscle. Plus, getting outside can help reduce stress and improve your overall mood. As promised, bonus tip for my students that want a simple budget bulking meal plan. Breakfast: 2 whole eggs scrambled with spinach and diced tomatoes, 2 slices of whole grain toast, 1 small avocado. Snack: apple slices with 2 tablespoons peanut butter. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. 1 small side salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes. Snack: Greek yogurt with mixed berries and a sprinkle of granola. Dinner: turkey chili made with lean ground turkey, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and chili seasoning. Brown rice or quinoa snack: protein shake made with whey protein powder, almond milk, and frozen berries. This meal plan provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to help fuel your workouts and build muscle mass. Additionally, all of the ingredients can be purchased at an affordable price and can be prepared in advance to save time and money. In conclusion, by following these tips for student bulking on a budget, you can build muscle mass and improve your overall fitness without breaking the bank. Let me know in the comments section if you want the next video to be more in-depth about fitness and meal planning. So grab your protein shake and get ready to bulk up like a champ.